We are Team 17, and we worked with United Equipment Accessories on their South Plant consolidation project during the spring 2019 semester. We were responsible for creating a future state layout for their upcoming addition.
Welcome to UEA!
UEA is located in Waverly, Iowa, and they have 4 product lines. They produce hydraulic swivels, cable reels, shift controllers, and electrical slip rings. Their main focus is in slip rings, in which they expect large growth over the coming years. Our project only dealt with slip rings, cable reels, and quad shifters, as these operations will be contained within the South Plant addition.
For our project, we identified 3 objectives to quantify success. The first objective was to reduce the footprint of all slip ring, cable reel, and shift controller operations by a combined 10%. The second objective was to redesign a high-volume production line such that it supports projected demand growth of 25% next year. Our third objective was to consolidate inventory locations to reduce WIP and raw material inventory footprint by 10%.
Our team created a number of deliverables to achieve these objectives. Our first deliverable was a current state map to fully define the system as it is now, and to act as a basis in which future state improvements were compared to. We first made hand-drawn maps of the north and south facility to understand the area we were working with. We transferred these maps into AutoCAD to create a current state layout. From this current state map, we were able to create an overview process map to see how material flowed within the facility. Spaghetti diagrams were also used to understand operator movement and pick locations for inventory.
We also performed an inventory analysis. During visits to the company, we identified problematic areas in which we felt improvements could be made and addressed these in our final layout. This allowed us to meet our third objective of reducing the footprint of inventory by 10%. Our final deliverable was a detailed layout of the future state plant. This map identified all workstations, inventory racks, and machines, and their specific locations in the South Plant addition. We also created a flow diagram in order to demonstrate that the organization of departments creates a linear flow through the plant. The pie charts demonstrate the allocation of floor space in the current and future states. We were able to meet our objectives for space reduction. The inventory footprint was decreased by 19.6%, while the total operations footprint decreased by 23.3%. We were also able to provide UEA with 7,642 square feet for gross space, which is 28.6% of the space in the addition.
The ROI for this project was based on the current revenue per square foot value of the facility applied to the space saved from this project. With a space savings of 23.3%, the additional revenue over 3 years is projected to be $4.9 million. With a budget of $1.25 million, the expected return on investment is 295%.